Because at the end of the day, I came here and I did something nobody would ever do. And that's really test the champion. And I put him down in front of 750 people. With some old geezers, but you know. One thing about it though, man, that I appreciate is you passed the torch, but you didn't do it without a fight. And I greatly appreciate that. You and your boys, man, I appreciate that. We became, what, the feud of the year of 2021, right? Gotta give us a hand.
I think that was the right year, yeah.
Yeah, you did a lot that year. Y'all went to WrestleMania, and, you know, you did a lot. So I'm grateful to even be in the ring with you right now. And I'm grateful to do it in front of Rome, Georgia. Now, I heard what you said, though. I heard what you said. You said you are going to fight to show everybody that you were the greatest KLT champion. Now, I gotta argue that because when you left, I built this place by myself. And I fought by myself. I didn't ask for help. I didn't need the help, even though those old geezers wanted to ride my coattails. I didn't ask for the help. I just did it. And I built Rome, Georgia with these hands, and now we're in this beautiful building, and we're still holding strong. I must say, Zach, I have a hell of an argument because it is part of my name, the greatest KLT champion. Welcome back to your room.
I remember that notorious street fight between you two, the cage matches, the tables, and I remember this man left this man on his backside. You remember that one, Phil?
Okay.
Vividly.
But tonight they're talking about greatest, and I remember when the underdog of the year zero had to fight 30 other men in a 30-man Iron Man match against who holds that title right now, and I come out victorious, isn't that right? Now I tell you, when we mention greatest, make sure my name is mentioned. They seem to like that, yeah?
So, let's go ahead. Whoa. Wait a second. So you mean to tell me the KLT originals are in the ring, kid, and you got the nerve to interrupt either one of us?
That I do, because it's not just about him right now either. It's about all three of you. The only one that I can actually say was a good champion and a fighting champion is that man right there.
Really?
But let's rewind 1 year ago, almost to the day, because it was supposed to be me and you in a match. Until I got screwed and I got taken out right behind that curtain right there.
Wasn't my fault.
But, hold on. But, even when I got cleared and I kept asking for you, you kept ducking me.
Ryan. With all due respect, you're absolutely right. However, I had a lot on my plate, sir, and I wasn't just champion here, I was champion at 6 other places, right? So, with that being said, I always told you from day one when you step foot here, you can get it anytime you want it, any place. All you gotta do is say when, however, the chips didn't fall right. So don't come in here trying to act all big and tough, because we can do it tonight, no disrespect, Zero, but we can do it right here, right now, if you want to, without the title.
Don't worry, you're on my radar. And don't think, I don't know where else you go and I don't know where else you're wrestling.
Please don't get ahead of yourself. You're already busy, all right? But why don't we get out of this ring, let the action start, and watch these two beat the hell out of each other?
Now, hold on.
That's what y'all want to see. Y'all want to see that Ryan
Let me cut you off real quick, because I still got to address him. You think that after 2 years, you're just going to walk back in here and hit your spot? That's not how this works, because for 2 years, every single one of these people have been here wanting someone. I've been that someone. I've Isn't that right?
You know, Ryan, when I first heard your promo, I felt a little bit sorry for you, sir. I thought 2 years and you didn't have a chance. But you did, didn't you? You had a chance against Chris Kamikaze. How did that end up, Mr. Marks? Huh? Because